Animals migration. What is meant by migration? The movement or long distance movement of animals in the search of water in a particular season, right? The long distance movement of animals in search of water and food in a particular season, that is a migration, right? All animals are moving from one place to another place, that is different, but in every season wise the animals are covering long distance in the search of water and food. Okay, that movement is called as a migration, such as a migration of cranes, right? Flock of cranes migrate from the one place to another place for in search of water and suitable environment for their breeding and reproduction. Of the cranes, they travel long distance in search of water and food, right? Some animals are also migrate to reach their breeding site to reproduce, right? There are the difference in the atmosphere and nature, so some animals are moving from one place to another place to reach their breeding site to reproduce, right? So what are the different animals who migrates long distance? First one, that is a flock of cranes. Then second, arctic tern. The next one, elephants. Okay, so these are the different animals who move from one place to another place, or who move for the migration. Okay, now we will discuss about the arctic tern. The arctic terns are the birds who move from the one pole to another pole of the earth. As we all know, the distance between the north pole and south pole is very much, near about the thousands of kilometers. So they travel from the one pole to another pole in the winter season. The arctic terns fly over the Himalaya ranges, right? And they all are moving in India, and from India to the another pole, right? So these are the birds who migrate thousands of kilometer distance. There are again some animals who migrate in the search of water, just like elephants. Elephants move from the Africa grass forest, because there is a very less water. So in search of water, they move from Africa forest to the another forest where the water is sufficient or water is enough to drink. So these are the some examples of migration, right? In case of human beings also, human beings are also doing migration in search of job, and in search of the particular natural places. Okay, so human beings are also doing migrations, right? So these are the some examples of migrations. So I hope, dear students, you may enjoy this video and you may understood all the concept from the animals everywhere.